Hey everybody, Evan with the Grainiac here. Say, really excited to finally get to show you my finished mantle. I got it all done. So this is a quick how-to video. I didn't really go too much in specifics about how I put it on there. Just some liquid nails. I didn't show me grinding off the mortar on top of my existing fireplace. There was some mortar. I had to use an angle grinder to get that down. Other than that, pretty much step by step how I got this done. This is that milled lumber that I did myself. I finally got around to doing something with it. So now I'm going to be putting some shelving on that side of the fireplace soon. So look for that video in the next few months. I don't know if I'm going to get to it right away, but enjoy the video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, share, and that's another piece that I made a few months ago, so you can watch that video too. All right, guys, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.